Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video I will be talking about this A9G GPRS plus GSM module. So I will show you in this video how to make calls using this module, how to receive calls using this module, and how to send messages using this module, and how to receive messages using this module. And I will also show you how to use its GPS to track our location. So before starting, I will recommend you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first we will talk about this module. So here this is our module. It has a micro USB port, a microphone over here, and it has two antennas. This one is for GPS and this one is for GPRS, and it has two buttons. One is the power button and the other one is the reset button. It have here a slot for a micro SD card and also have a slot for micro SIM card, right? And it also have some input output pins here. As you can see, these headers are input output pins. So this module is made by AI Thinker and it comes with these two antennas. This one is the GPS antenna. So let's connect it here. This is the GPS antenna port. So I will connect it here. It is connected, and now we have this GPRS antenna. So I will connect it here, right? So both antennas are connected to this module. So to connect this module to our laptop, we'll be using this USB to TTL converter. As you can see, it has around 5 pins. One is the 5-volt, ground, RX, TX, and 3.3 volts pin. So we will be using these 4 pins only: 5 volts, ground, RX, and TX. So let's connect it. So in this module we have 5 volt and ground pins here. So this is the ground and this is the 5 volt. Let me show you. This is the ground. You will not see because of these headers, but this one is the ground, the last one is the ground, and the second last one is the 5 volt pin. So let's connect our USB to TTL converter to it. Here we have the 5 volt and the ground pin. So the brown one is the 5 volt and the red one is the ground. Let's connect it. So these two are connected. Now we will connect the TX and RX pins. So we will connect the TX of this USB to TTL converter to the RX of this module, and we'll connect the RX of this TTL to USB converter to the TX of this module. So let's connect it. I will show you the TX and RX pins. Here these two pins, the last two pins is the TX and RX pin. You will see the TX over here. The last pin is the TX and the second last one is the RX, right? So let's connect it. Here in this module we have RX, the orange one. I will connect the orange one to the last one, which is the TX, like this, and this is the TX, so I will connect it to the RX here. So our module is now connected to this USB to TTL converter. Now let's place our SIM card. So here we will place our SIM card here, right? So our SIM card is placed in the slot. Now let's connect our module to the laptop. So here I'm connecting it. And as you can see here, it is on. Let's press the power button. And our module is turned on. So now in my laptop, I'll open the AI Thinker serial tool. And with this tool, we'll be using some AT commands to call and to receive calls and to send messages and to receive messages and to track our location using GPS. So let's see. So here we have this AI Thinker serial tool. So let's open it. And here we will select the port number to which our module is connected. So for this, let's right click on this PC and click on manage, and this you will click on device manager and here in ports. So here this is our USB to TTL converter connected to COM6. So let's select here COM6. All the others like baud rate, data bits will be same like this. Okay, and let's click on open serial. So test whether our communication through AT commands is working or not. So for that I will just send AT, and here as you can see it has returned us okay. It means that it is working. Now if we want to check the imei number of this module, for that I will send a command AT plus GSN and I will press enter. So here this is our imei number for this module, and after this if I want to check the model of this module, so I will write here AT plus GMM, right, and I will send it. So here it has shown us A9/A9G. It means that our module is A9 or A9G. And after that if I want to check the firmware version of this module, I will send a command AT plus GMR, right, and here this is the version of our firmware. And after this if I want to check the manufacturer of this module, I will write here command AT plus GMI. So here as you can see it is AI Thinker. So now if we want to reboot our device, for that I am using AT plus RST equals 1. So it is now restarting. So now let's try to check the call commands. So to receive a call we use a command ATA. Let me call this module. So now I am calling from my phone to this module. So as you can see here, ring ring ring, it means that incoming call. So to receive this call I will write a command ATA, and it is connected now. Let me disconnect this call. So to disconnect this call we'll use a command ATH, and it is now disconnected. So now if you want to dial a number using this module, we use a command ATD. After ATD we will write here the number which we want to dial. So click on send. Let's send again. As you can hear the ringtone, so it is the ringtone of my phone. I am receiving the call from this module. So let's disconnect it. Now if we want to receive a message, so to decode the message from hexadecimal to simple, we use a command AT plus CMGF equal 1, right? Okay, it has returned us okay. Now I will send a message from my phone to this module. As you can see here, this is the message and is received from this phone number. And after this if we want to send a message, we use a command CMGS equals the number which we want to send, for example this one, anything like this, and press enter. then you can send a message. So now let's try the GPS. So for GPS I'm using command AT plus GPS equals 1, right? So it has returned us OK. And after this, to get the GPS data, we use a command AT plus GPS RD equals 1. So we are now receiving the data from GPS. And to decode this data, we have a decoder here, GPRMC and GPGG decoder, and the link is https://rl.se/gprmc. Let's stop getting the information. For this I'm using the command AT plus GPS RD equals 0. So it has now stopped giving us information, and let's check the location. I'm copying this and I'll paste it here. Let's decode it. So here it has shown the location and this is the position. So you can copy this and check it on the Google Maps. So it was all about this. I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.